Alberta has had a Bill of Rights since 1972, but it's time for an overhaul, the Premier insists.
In an ever-evolving world, we must be vigilant to ensure the rights and freedoms of Albertans continue to be protected.
Bill 24 was introduced in the legislature Monday afternoon, the first order of business for the UCP government this new fall session. The Alberta Bill of Rights Amendment Act seeks to broaden property rights, add free expression to freedom of speech protections, and reinforce the ability to refuse medical treatments, including vaccines.
We want to make sure that people who are of sound mind are able to make their own choices and have the ability to consent to do so or to reject.
The Bill of Rights does not stop private employers from having vaccine rules, but it would allow courts to award damages or impose injunctions against the province if a person proves their rights were violated.
Currently, when an individual claims an infringement of rights protected under the Alberta Bill of Rights, the court is limited to trying to apply the law so that it does not infringe on these rights.
The NDP argues there is no need to update a Bill of Rights that already works. Instead, Leader Naheed Nenshi says the changes are only an appeal to far-right UCP members ahead of the Premier's leadership vote this weekend.
Probably the brain trust in Danielle Smith's office thinks that will help her on Saturday. So here's the thing. They are going to present some 12 to 14 bills this term. Not one of them is about affordability. The only thing they're saying about health care is denying gender-affirming care to a tiny number of youth.
With the UCP majority, the bill is expected to pass this fall session. It will then require royal assent and could come into effect by the end of the year. UCP members, meanwhile, will vote on the Premier's future in Red Deer this Saturday. From the legislature, Sean Amato, City News.